Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be reviewing the new Colourpop collection, the Cloud Spun palette, and their cream gel liner BFF that came together. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my hard-earned working money. So yeah, I'm going to create a look with these two items. And so this palette, I have not opened it yet. This retails for $12. I'm sure everyone knows. And their BFF cream gel liner in the shade Fluffy retails for $6. So $18 altogether for these two items. These are the only two items I got. So let's open her up. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Very, very pretty. And then this is what the inside looks like. Just pinks, you know. Everyone's favorite color is pink. My favorite color is pink. I don't know if it's everyone's favorite color, but it's my favorite color. So we're going to create a look with this. And so this is the Fluffy color. Let me swatch it for you guys. It's a very vibrant pink. That's what it looks like when it's swatched. So we're going to create a look with these colors. We're going to go in with the shade Candy Fluff, this top corner shade with the JS8 brush, and we're going to put that in our transition color. And like we already know that Colourpop palettes are the bomb and they're like affordable and everything, like we love, but they just put out too many collections a week, every week, and like you just can't keep up with them. Like they came out with another palette last week, and this week they're coming out with the Animal Crossing palette. I don't got enough money for that, you know. So I try to buy them when I can, and even if it's not at right when they launch, just I buy it whenever, you know. With the same brush, we're going in with the shade Pillow Mint is this next shade down, and we're going to put that in our transition. I'm going to try to use as much colors as I can. I kind of have an idea. I was looking at it for a little bit, trying to see what colors I wanted to use and where to put them, and I think I got it figured out. I'm taking a fluffy brush like this. This is the JS5 brush, and I'm going back in with that Candy Fluff, and we're just going to blend out up here. And now I'm going in with the JS6 brush, and we're going into this shade right here called Turkish Delight, and we're going to put that in our outer corner and in our crease, focusing it right in that area just to deepen it up. There's a lot of fallout in this palette that I am experiencing within the pan. I'm not seeing much fallout on my face. So I am going to go cut my crease, and then we're going to play around with the shimmer colors. So now that I cut my crease, I'm going to go in with the shade Cotton Cloud right here. Is this pink shimmer shade right there. And I'm going to go in with the brush just like this. It's a little flat brush. And I'm going to spray it with some photo finish primer water just to see if it will pick up good, and we're gonna put that where we cut our crease. Oh, that is so pretty. I didn't set my cut crease or anything. So I'm going to take some NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to go in with the shade Flossy. It's this middle shade right here, and it's that loose pigment type shade, and we are going to put that right in here where we cut our cut crease ends. And I'm going to take that on the same brush that we used to apply the Cotton Cloud. So now I'm going to take back the JS6 brush, and I'm going to dip into this shade, this bright pink shade right here called Bon Bon, and I want to put that underneath my eye, underneath my waterline. Now I'm going in with the shade Shekel. It's this shade right here, this corner shade. I'm taking on a brush like this and I sprayed it, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. So I'm going to go put on some lashes, and that will complete this look. I got my lashes on, so now I'm going to use this fluffy cream gel eyeliner, and I'm going to put that in my waterline. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys liked this video and liked this look. Overall, the palette was good. It had a lot of fallout in some of the colors on the pan. I didn't have any fallout on my face or anything, so that's good. But if you guys liked this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Follow my TikTok and my Instagram. They are both Makeup by Kalia. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.